Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show a demo on one SQL entry question. So the question is here, how many ways to get first day of the month? There are three ways to get the first day of the month. So I will show one after other. First one is select get date. Get date will take today's date. So what is today's date? It's September, that is the date of today. I am using select get date minus day of get date. So the question is here, how to get the first day of the month. So we are in September 7th. So I want to get first day of the month means September 1st. So day of get date. So if you execute this one, so you will get 31st August. So for this, just add one September 1st. So here I am deducting the get date means today's date by subtracting day of get date. Day of get date will return day of today, that is 7. So it will return 7 plus 1 means after subtracting query it will return August 31st. So I will get plus 1 to get the first day of the current month. So this is one method. Okay. So second one, we can use dateadd function. Select dateadd. Dateadd take three arguments. First one is the interval. So interval it is taking here. I am taking here as month comma. So here next one is increment. So here I am using for increment I am using datediff function. Datediff will take difference between two dates. Datediff will take interval as month comma 0. So instead of starting date I am taking 0. Next one I am using get date. So I want to difference between get date and 0 in months. Okay. So whereas in this dateadd function, this is the third argument. So here I am adding interval as month. So I am taking the by using for increment I am using the datediff function. For expression I am taking 0. For expression I am taking 0. So if you add this one, you will get September 1st. So I will explain the code one more time. So here I am using dateadd function. What dateadd will do? Dateadd will add or subtract as per the given interval. I am giving the interval as month. So dateadd will take the second argument as increment. So increment here I am taking datediff function. Datediff of month of 0 to get date. So next I am taking 0. So that you will get the starting day of the month. So this is second method. Third one is again I am adding dateadd. So interval I am taking dd, that means day. So minus of day of get date. Minus of day of get date. Day of get date minus 1. So finally third argument I am giving expression as get date. Is September 1st. So I will explain the code of this third method. So here get date means today's date. So here day of get date. Day of get date will return today's date. So if you execute the day of get date alone, if you execute day of get date alone, select day of get date alone. So it will return day on today's date. So 7th September. So this is second argument. So next one is day of get date minus 1. So you will get 6. If you deduct the day of, if you execute the day of get date, you will get 7. So I am subtracting minus 1. So that you will get 6. So now get date. Get date is the third argument. This is first argument. This is the second argument, and this is the third argument. So you will get September 1st by using this method. Okay. So negative value, this negative value minus day of get date of negative value will subtract the necessary number of days It will subtract necessary number of days from the current date, from the get date, to get the first day of the month. So this negative value will subtract the necessary number of days from the current date, that means the get date, to get the first day of the month. So by using these three different functions, you will get first day of the month. So first, by using subtracting the day of get date from the get date plus 1. Second, by using dated along with datediff function, and third, exactly dated function. So this is how you know to answer. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.